Yo, what's up, Molly Bonj? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Zinalanga the TT, Dimachogera ku Botswana. Say, Zinalanga Momalidziwa. That's what. Yeah, I keep forgetting. I know I'm bad at this, man. But yeah, Molly Bonj, Inen de Bueno, Lero, Palibe Vuto. And Tima de Masangalal. I just copied that from Rashley. Speaking of Rashley, I'm reacting to Rashley's music today, and it's a brand new video. So one of my favorite artists out there in Malawi, and if you've been watching me reacting to music, you would know that is not anything to hide. Milo, yesterday. So I know Milo, Mawa, and Lero, Julo. Wait, yeah. No, Milo is tomorrow. Milo, tomorrow. Sorry, I mixed it up. But yeah, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. This is me, like, switching up things, showing you guys that I do have a professional side. I feel like I'm always too casual with you guys. So from now on, address me as Say. No, I'm kidding. Let's get to the song, man, before I lose all of you.
Red Disc Music.
New hairstyle and everything.
Yeah.
Big up to the videographer, man. Round of applause to the videographer, DJ Ken. I felt like him and Rashley, they work well together. They've been doing this. So I think I've seen almost every video of Rashley's VJ Ken produced or recorded, or what do they call them? Anyway, yes, that.
Ndabwera ndi manifesto yanga babe izi ndizo mwendi zapange
Manifesto. I came
bwera ndi manifesto yanga babe
I came with
izi ndizo mwendi zapange uchele kutu pa umuntu izi nditu zofunikira ndizakale zongokwatirana tenzeru basukhala kumapikirana koma ngati kazi wanga mfumu wanga tikonza ugwira koma ana nyumba usati chipinjo kukubelekesa ukhala ngati mpingo ndizakupasa patankuze saza kuge saza kuzunze baby mbanje sikena usati uzasirirena koma kumbali yanga sayesisa kukusamala sininga kukwatire kodi chabe uzandipikire sindinga kukwatire chabe yana uzandibalire sindinga kukwatire chabe nyumba uzandirondere koma ndizafuna uzandike pachifuwa zikabuda kundilimbikisa zizayenda mwamu nanga.
Like it's not the first time I heard him saying Kulimbikiza. What does that mean? I like that. Oh my God, Kulimbikiza. Oh yeah. My favorite song I think has that Kulimbikiza. Let me know what does that mean?
My hero, banja ndikupirira ena makhulupirira kumangati adalisa.
I know that word. Kupirira. That's one of the artists there. Kupirira. What does that mean as well? Know that word. So if you can help me with that.
Abusa iwe ndi mfulu uli ndi maloto mwina sunganeni.
He said something about dreams. Let's hear it. Oh, sorry guys. I guess I'm too excited when I do this.
Iwe ndi mfulu uli ndi maloto mwina sunganeni unkafunisisa tisa.
In my dreams, you are with me. Oh, I'm making things up. Anyway, let me
just sinzalola kukupera zatandizira mtiti sunga menye maka yako yomwe kulakwilana kukambirana ndiwe muntu palibezokangana ife tizasekesana usiku nkalisoma sana ndiza kukonda kukusamala paradise zakale nyumba yatu sininga kukwatile odichabe uzandipikile sininga kukwatile chabeyana uzandibalile sininga kukwatile chabe nyumba uzandilo.
Whoever's producing for this guy, man, like this is nuts.
Komaliza funa uzandike pachifu wazikabuda kundilimbikisa ziza yenda mamu nanga mairo ziza yenda mairo sininga kukwatile uzandipi.
I feel like that means I cannot be mad at you. Yeah, another beautiful. I haven't done that in a long time, you know, so big up, you know. It's good to see consistency, and I feel like Rashley has been consistent with his style. Like I said, the person who's producing for him is like they understand each other, because most of the time it's not even beats, like just keys and guitar. Like it's beautiful. So yeah, please go check out that song. It's brand new from Rashley. Yeah, Zikomo Kwambiri for watching this video. Zikomo Kwambiri for your subscription. Zikomo Kwambiri for your support. You guys from Malawi, you guys from Zambia. Zikomo Kwambiri. I think that's all I know how to say, you know. Thank you so much for watching this, man. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. I'm here because of you guys. So I do hope that you will go and check out Rashley's YouTube page, watch his music as Malawians, support him, you know what I mean? Like, you just need to know that you guys are behind him, and you guys have been supporting him, watching his videos. He does get a lot of views, which he deserves, you know what I mean? So anyway, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side. I do have a song from Zimbabwe if you guys want to check it out.